So, I would like to ask you a small brief about your company, about your products and services.
Okay, please go ahead, madam.
Please let me know about your products and services.
About 5 to 6 years back, this company has been established. It manufactures the metal surface finishing chemicals, and they have a number of other applications as well. They are the derivatives of the various metals like cobalt, nickel, tin, chromium, tungsten, and so on. And our product range is slowly increasing. All these products are manufactured from the pure metals, and they have very high purity. And we are supplying to some of the leading companies of the India and exporting as well. And our this client base is slowly increasing, and our production capacity is also. Yes, what more would you like to know, madam?
Wow, great to hear that. Who are all are your targeted audience customers?
Yes, the targeted customers are the users of this product, mainly the uh, formulation making companies like Grover and Vale, Artec, and so on. And of course, many of the ceramic manufacturing companies and some of the dyes manufacturers also use. And many products have number of uses of which even we are not aware of sometimes.
Okay. And how did you came to know about our Global Chem exhibition?
Yeah, we are subscriber to the Global Inquiry magazine for last several years, and of course through the office of the Global Inquiry magazine, we have been informed about this exhibition. And last year also we attended this exhibition, but then that time we could not participate. But we had taken decision that we must participate in this exhibition next year, and so this year we are here.
Okay. I hope you are as this is the second day you are have received positive response.
Yes, I must congratulate the Bharat Bhai, Vicky, and entire global team for organizing such a nice exhibition. And there has been a very good footfall in this exhibition. We have been able to meet some of the clients with whom we have been doing business, but we have never met them. And sitting across the table, we have come to understand their requirements, and they have also come to talk about the various needs or various other chemicals that they need. Uh, there is a possibility of expanding the business as well, and very strong ties are built up with the clients.
Okay. Any suggestion or feedback for us?
I think uh, uh, you should canvas more, and there should be more participants, and uh, along with chemicals, other uh, service providers, especially in the field of environment, safety, and health. They should also participate, and there should be other consultants which support the chemical industries, like equipment manufacturers, equipment suppliers. They should also participate, so they should also be invited. Uh, then that will be useful for the chemical participants and the visitors as well.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thanks.
Yes, yes. I'm also thankful to you, madam.